My name is Wendy Paola Díaz Villegas. I am a student at the UNAD and I am going to tell you about my travel guide. Vocabulary sentence. Laguna Azul en the Departamento of Córdoba. Please. Vocabulario, please, mes. Sentence. Laguna Azul is an short, please, located in the municipality of Planeta Rica in the departamento of Córdoba. This is a place that has crystal water and people can bathe and spend a day with the family. You must go will all your friend and you should never net the forest in the lagoon. What to do? Vocabulario may stay and enjoy in senses. In the Blue Laguna you can fish, stay in localidad. What you can teach for in the different enjoy. You can usar through yourself from a day. Please enjoy all the good you that it hit. Oh, also you must know never let your bikini you are going to need it. Travel tip. Vocabulario have to mess water. Sentence. You must wear comfortable clothes. You have to bring a good attitude and energy to enjoy a good day. You must go on a sunny day to enjoy this scenery. Don't have to carry a tad of laden because it is a place. You must breathe water because you must hydrate. Category superstitious. Vocabulario is lagoon. Sentence. If there is a full moon, the water will turn dark, your eye will color. If you toss a coin, the lagoon will grant you quiz. Category when to with must not summer winter. To go to the Blue Lagoon, the best time is in summer is this time the water is more. Where to stay? Kind hotel in this place you can stay in Arizona and Neyron house or it area also. What to eat? Fish cheese. Here you can eat medium frying fish chicken, stomach or chicken and patacon well cheese. Where to drink mess, the triumph will found there are natural juice and alcoholic beverages. You must try the typical triumph. Transportation by taxi with the most is transport and this side is did by taxi. Langi, the Lagis Rus. Here is Spanish. Croatian Colombia peso. The Croatian is here is the Colombia peso. Tet vocabulary voluntary. In the Blue Lagoon Tet is voluntary. However, there are restaurants where it is mandatory. Thank you.